Welcome to the in front of me MOTOROLA Moto G22, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that scroll to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the media, call, ringtone and notification, and alarm volume panels. You can change the volume just by swipe to the left or to the right side. This dot would on this volume panel with our finger by this way. Also here we have the don't disturb mode. We can turn it on or turn it off. We can add here some people, the applications, alarms, set a schedule, the start and end time of the don't disturb. Also we can switch here the duration until you'll turn off for 1 hour and more hour, or just to ask every time, and to see the and to display the options for hiding notifications. We can also set it the custom one. Also we have here we can change the ringtone for our two SIMs, because this device have two SIM slots, so we can set different ringtones to each of the SIM card. Here you can switch the media settings just to turn on or turn off, to pin the media player, or to show media recommendations switcher. Here we have also the vibration for calls. We can switch it just by this way. Here we also have the shortcut to prevent ring. We can turn it on or turn it off. Also switch vibration to the mode. Here we can also switch the notification and alarm sounds. And we can activate it, turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging and vibration sounds, the touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on or off device sounds. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.